Good morning, boys and girls. How are you today? I feel happy. Great. So today we're going to start with the morning routines like always. So what day is it today? Today is Tuesday, 22, we'll say 22nd of September, and the year is 2020. Fantastic. Now we're going to start our science lesson. First of all, please, we're going to look around. What can you see in your room? Now, at this moment, I am in the living room. What does living room mean in Spanish? Cuarto de estar. Estoy en el cuarto de estar. En la habitación en la que estéis, quiero que look around, ¿vale? And tell me, what can you see? For example, I can see the sofa. I can see the TV. I can see the table and the chair. And two surf boats. Y dos tablas de surf. And you, what can you see? Look around. And you can say it in English. If you don't know, you can ask your daddy or mommy, is it there? And not just say it in Spanish. For example, si veo un ordenador y no me acuerdo cómo se decía, I can see a ordenador. Okay? In English we say computer. Now it's your time. Fantastic. Now, what noises can you hear? Noises can you hear? Noises means ruidos. So at this moment, I can hear the sound of my computer. And a little bit, I can hear the sound of the wind. Today is windy. And also, I can hear some people talking in the street. What can you hear? I can hear. Great. And now the last question. Take one object of your room. Cogemos un objeto de la habitación en la que estés, ¿vale? Venga, allá vamos. Choose only one. Okay, I've got it. This is my object. Do you like it? Yes, no. Okay, and now we are going to ask you. What color is it? My object, which is a unicorn, is white, pink, and yellow. And what are the colors of your object? Look and say it in English. Well done. And now, how does it feel like? Touch it with your hands. How does it feel like? Is it smooth or rough? Is it soft or hard like a table? My unicorn toy, because this is a toy, or a cuddle, peluche, okay, is soft, blandito, soft, and smooth, suave, okay? What about your object? Say it in English, remember. Great! Now we can do the activity number 2. We're going to start the science lesson. I know that you don't have the book, but you have the photocopy. Look at the photocopy. Look at the picture. Great. We are going to meet Katie and Ben. Vamos a conocer a Katie y a Ben, que van a ser los dos personajes que nos van a acompañar durante todo el libro de ciencias, ¿vale? En nuestras clases. So, you have to find Katie and Ben. Who are they? Okay, we're gonna start by Katie. Who is Katie? Look at these three pictures. Pay attention, listen to me, and point with your finger pointer to Katie in the picture here, okay? Listen to me. Katie has got long red hair, like here, and a blue dress, and a yellow leggings like these ones. Okay. Can you tell me where is Katie in the picture? Fantastic is this girl, great. And she wears a blue or maybe purple backpack with her books. Great, now what about Ben? Okay, can you tell me what does Ben look like? What is the color of his hair? Brown, blue, black? Great! He has got brown hair. And is it short or long like my hair? Short. So Ben has got short and brown hair. And what about the clothes? How are they? Great! He has got a blue t-shirt. This is a t-shirt like me. I wear a yellow t-shirt. And also he has got green shirt. Where is he? Fantastic! He is here talking to Katie. And he is wearing a green backpack with all of his books. Fantastic! Now you can encircle with one color Ben and you can encircle with other color Katie. And now, can you tell me how many boys are in the picture? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, and 4 boys. And how many girls are in the picture? Maybe 1. It might be a boy or a girl, but it counts like a girl, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 girls. There are 6 girls and 4 boys in the picture. Fantastic! Can you tell me how many of them are sit down? Fantastic! There are 3. And how many of them are stand up, like me, right now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great, so in total, how many boys and girls are there? How many children are there in total? 7 more 4. 7 more 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 children in the classroom. So little. Fantastic. Now let's move on. If you can, please read the 2 sentences that I told you before, okay? And now we're gonna revise the clothes vocabulary, okay? First of all, we're gonna listen to the video of Steve and Maggie. You have to look for this link in YouTube. I've got my link ready here. So this is the song. I'm just going to play a little bit, okay? It's this one. Okay.
Hello.
Okay, now watch the video. Dale al pausa mientras ves el vídeo, ¿vale? Y cuando lo termines de ver, le vuelves a dar al play en este vídeo. And now, y ahora, we're gonna complete the worksheet. Vamos a hacer la fichita, ¿vale? Entonces, here we have some vocabulary about clothes. Vale, I'm going to read all of them and you have to repeat after me. ¿Ok? Venga, let's go. Repetir después de mí, ¿vale? Es vocabulario de ropa. No os quedaréis con todo, pero bueno, con el que os podáis quedar, pues mejor, ¿vale? Okay, repeat after me. Jeans, gloves, trousers, hat, scarf, shorts, coat, socks, dress, t-shirt, skirt, jumper, raincoat, shoes, trainers. So when you do physical education, you put on your trainers. And when you wear the uniform, you have got shoes. Okay, you put on your shoes. When it's raining, what do you wear? The raincoat. Great. And also the umbrella, but it's not here. Okay, now you can read the words alone and color them. ¿Vale? Ahora se trata de que vosotros solitos vayáis coloreando la ropa a la vez que la vais diciendo, ¿vale? Hasta que os la vayáis aprendiendo. Cuantas más os aprendáis, mejor. ¿Ok? ¡Mua!